Zoho CRM allows you to send emails directly from your contact, lead, or deal records. There are three core elements to consider: templates, automation, and tracking. Let's break down each, starting with templates. Templates are pre-designed email formats you can store in Zoho CRM's library. You can customize these with merge tags, such as the recipient's name or deal value, to personalize your messages. Use the drag and drop editor to create visually appealing emails with images, links, and attachments. For automation, Zoho uses workflows. These are rule-based sequences that trigger email sends based on specific conditions, like a lead status change or a time-based event. For instance, you can send a follow-up email 7 days after a demo. Tracking is the third important element. Zoho CRM tracks email interactions by using unique pixel tracking for opens and link clicks. You can then view these reports in the CRM dashboard. Zoho's Blueprint feature enables complex automations within CRM workflows. For instance, you can set up a process that escalates a task to a manager if an email receives no response after a specified period. Advanced tracking in Zoho CRM goes beyond basic opens and clicks. Analytics dashboards incorporate sentiment analysis from email replies using natural language processing, helping you understand recipient reactions. To ensure emails reach inboxes instead of spam folders, configure domain authentication using DKIM and SPF protocols. This verifies your domain's legitimacy to email servers. Build and maintain opt-in email lists to comply with anti-spam regulations. This ensures subscribers have explicitly consented to receive your communications. Zoho CRM integrates AI-driven personalization through ZIA, analyzing user data and behavior to suggest optimal content. It also optimizes send times and subject lines based on performance metrics. Security features include end-to-end encryption and compliance with GDPR 2.0. Access all these capabilities through web or mobile apps for flexible, on-the-go management.